First question is asking which of the following doctrine prevent the legislature from enacting law indirectly that would violate constitutional limit. Option A telling the doctrine of substantive due process, B telling the doctrine of eclipse, C telling the doctrine of colorable legislation, and D telling the doctrine of severability. A doctrine of colorable legislation prevent the legislature from enacting law indirectly that would violate constitutional limit. So C become the correct answer. C become the correct answer. C become the correct answer. Next question, question number second, asking that consider the following statement regarding the National Multidimensional Poverty Index. Option A telling that National Multidimensional Poverty Index uses data from the National Family Health Survey. Is very correct. Second, telling that National Multidimensional Poverty Index included indicators such as health, education, and standard of living. Is very correct statement. And third, telling that global multidimensional index is published by the World Bank in collaboration with the International Monetary Fund. This is incorrect because global multidimensional poverty index is published by the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Initiative in collaboration with the United Nations Development Program and not by the World Bank and the IMF. So third become incorrect. So here is the 1 and 2 is the correct. Here asking the correct one. So B become the correct answer. Next question, question number third, asking that consider the following statement regarding the Article 142. Article 142 empowers the Supreme Court to pass order necessary for complete justice. Is very correct statement. Third, telling that this article allowed the Supreme Court to grant a special leave to appeal against lower court decision. This is incorrect because this is article not related to the 142. This is article 136 allow the Supreme Court to grant a special leave to appeal against the lower court decision. So second become incorrect. Third, telling that article 142 can be used to protect civil liberty in the cases where no specific law exists. Yes, sir. Third is the correct. So he asking incorrect one. So only 2. B become the correct answer. Next question, question number. Next question, question number 4, asking that what role does the Atomic Energy Regulatory Board play in the operation of the nuclear reactor like KAPS-4? And option A telling that it manage the day-to-day operation of the nuclear power plants. This is incorrect. And B telling that it provide funding for nuclear power project. C telling that it design nuclear reactor for India. And D telling that it is responsible for regulating and approving the power level and safety protocol of the nuclear reactor. As D is the correct answer. It is responsible for regulating and approving the power level and the safety protocol of the nuclear reactor. So D become the correct answer. D become the correct answer. Next question, question number 5, asking that consider the following statement about the Protection of the Human Rights Act 1993 as amended in 2019. Sorry. The Act provide for the constitution of a National Human Rights Commission at the union level. Yes, very correct statement. Second, telling the Act minded the establishment of a state human rights commission in every state. Minded make this statement incorrect. The third, telling that the Act provided for the establishment of human rights court at the district level. This is also correct. So 1 and 3 is correct. I am asking correct one. So B become the correct answer. B become the correct answer. Next question, question number 6, asking that consider the following statement about the Amnesty International. Option A statement A telling that Amnesty International is an international organization composed of the volunteer who campaign for human rights. And yes, very correct. Second telling the organization is known for publishing report on the human right abuse worldwide. This is also correct. And third telling that Amnesty International is a governmental organization. No, it is not a non-governmental organization operating under the United Nations. It is also not operating under the United Nations. So third is a completely incorrect statement. So he asking them correct one. So correct one and two means C become the correct answer. Next question. Question number 7, asking the item Public Liability Insurance Act 1991 mandate the item. Statement 1 telling the option A telling that all industry must have insurance coverage for financial relief in the case of the industrial accidents involving hazardous substance. Very correct. And B telling that insurance is optional for a small scale industry. B is incorrect. C telling the only government run industry are required to obtain liability insurance. C is also incorrect. Third telling that industry handling non-hazardous material are exempted from the having insurance. D is also incorrect. So correct only A. All industry must have insurance coverage for financial relief in the case of the industrial and accidents involving hazardous substance. So A become the correct answer. A become the correct answer. Next question number 8, asking that consider the following statement regarding the microplastic initiative to tackle them. Option A telling that microplastic are easily broken down into harmless molecules by the natural process. This is easily make this statement incorrect. Next, telling that the Glow Litter Partnership Project is a global initiative to address the issue of the marine litter, including the microplastic. This is correct. And the third telling that India's Unplastic Collective is a collaborative initiative to reduce plastic pollution in the country. So third is also correct. So second and third is correct. He asking the correct one. So C become the correct answer. C means C. 2 and 3. Next question number 8, asking that which biotechnology technique is used to increase the shelf life of the food products. Option A telling that tissue culture, B telling that gene therapy, C telling that edible vaccine, and D telling that molecular diagnostic. So correct option is A, tissue culture. Tissue culture is the biotechnology technique used to increase the shelf life of the food production. So A become the correct answer. Next question number 10, asking that consider the following statement regarding the Global Compact. Option A telling that the Global Compact is an initiative that unite country or organization to commit to share goal and principle. Is very correct statement. Second telling it often focus on sustainable development, human right and global cooperation. This is also correct. And the third telling that a global compact is a legally binding agreement among the participating countries. This is incorrect, because legally binding it is not. A global compact is not legally binding agreement among the participating countries. So third become incorrect. So 1 and 2 means A is the correct answer. So I would like to stop here.